Microsoft's new Gaming Copilot for Windows 11 was supposed to make gaming smarter. Instead, it's making players nervous. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech and Gaming Hub. Gaming Copilot is built directly into the Xbox game bar to help gamers with real-time tips, strategy guidance, and performance insights. The players are left wondering whether the digital helper is watching a little too closely. It all started when a recent era forum user claimed Gaming Pilot was secretly capturing gameplay footage and sending it back to Microsoft for model training, allegedly by default. The claim spread fast, stoking fears that big tech was once again peeking over players' shoulder. Microsoft, however, quickly tried to squash the rumors. The company spokesperson said, "When you've actively used Gaming Copilot, it can use screenshots to understand what's happening in your game, but those images aren't used to train AI models. Gaming Copilot is optional and only accesses your gameplay when you're using it." With that being said, Microsoft did admit that text and voice interactions may be used to help train and improve the AI, something players can opt out of via the privacy menu. Still, even without the privacy panic, there's a performance problem too. In tests, the AI assistant knocked frame rates down by a few precious frames per second, dipping from the 90s into the 70s in some cases. It's a small hit, but with Windows 11's background clutter, it's enough to irritate hardcore gamers. While Microsoft insists Gaming Copilot is safe, some players would rather hit uninstall than let an AI assistant tank their FPS or worse, peek into their playtime. Does your gaming lag because of this too? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.